guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today we thought we would do a little challenge of the 10-year challenge. I see everyone on Facebook and Instagram posting pictures of what they look like 10 years ago, but we thought we would do one better and we would do our makeup the way we did it 10 years ago. So we are also joined by the beautiful Hannah Vlog here on YouTube, so I'll link her channel down below. Make sure to check her out. So yeah, let's recreate those 10-year challenges. So let's get into it. So I don't have the exact foundation I used back then. I had the Max Factor Second Skin Foundation. Obviously decluttered it because it was discontinued. So I'm just going to use a BB cream.
I used to use a Nutrimedix one or an Avon one, which I would never buy right now, so I'm just going to use this Pro Matte one that I have right here from LA Girl because I got nothing else.
And I would just use my fingers, so this will be
Me too. So this will be something different.
And we didn't have primer because, you know, it was 2009, I was in 10th grade. So.
And my foundation was always darker than my face.
Oh, my face was darker because I didn't have, you know, any tan or any way to know that it was wrong. I picked one up. Oh, natural. I'm natural. There you go.
Literally. You just put on whatever and everyone would see that little line around your face.
Pretty much. Like, it was famous. Like, oh, you're not cool if you don't wear makeup because you don't have the line.
Literally.
So I never would do my forehead because I didn't have pimples there. But I'm going to do it today because...
That's just weird.
It is weird.
I did my forehead, I did my whole face. But my whole face was just gross.
Fair enough. And because the second skin was literally a second layer of skin, it was zero coverage, didn't cover anything, you know.
Oh,
I thought I was cool though.
I hate using my fingers. It's disgusting.
Yes, it is, and I should have grabbed it by that. Okay. So I literally just have a greasy layer with no coverage, but we're gonna go with it.
And I've just got an orange layer with barely any coverage, but that's okay.
Who needed coverage when you were, how old were we?
I was like 16.
16?
15,
oh,
16.
I was gonna
I turned
say,
16 that year.
I think I was 14 turning 15, so 15.
I was about 15. Around about that anyway.
I'm young and hot, she's old.
Look, I've got that like line around my face. Perfect representation.
My face is still red.
I had no idea what concealer was, so
yeah, skipping concealer, moving on to powder. I used one of many powders. I think I used a Maybelline one, they don't make it anymore. I used two different Maybelline ones that didn't make anymore. But I actually still have in the back of my drawer this BYS compact powder in the shade medium. It's orange. So yeah. We're going to powder our face with it.
And I'm going to use that today because I didn't use loose powder back then, and that's all I have right now. And I didn't use a brush either, but I'm going to use a brush because I don't have the little makeup sponge I used to use. You know, the little ones that come with the powder?
In the compacts, yeah. The ones that you always throw away because
they're useless. This is going to look so hot.
And I would just wipe it on my face because I didn't know that patting it was a thing.
Literally. And only just enough to set it so it wasn't wet.
Funny, when I used to work at McDonald's and I didn't want to put on makeup but still wanted to look coverage, I'd put moisturiser on and then my compact powder because I thought it added coverage. So the powder would stick to the moisturiser.
Oh my god.
And but I still put my eyeliner and mascara on though. Because, you know, I was cool.
I feel like this foundation has way more coverage than my old foundation used to. But
I think this has slightly less, but I think because I just rubbed it into my skin. It's not the same product.
Oh my god, my face looks so shit already. I look like 16-year-old me.
I can barely see myself in the shadows, to be honest. Alright, that'll do.
Next I would put on eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that.
I actually would wear an eyeshadow, believe it or not. I had this little gold eyeshadow, just wear it on the lid and that'd be it. I don't have it anymore, so I'm just going to use this L'Oreal Infallible little single shadow in the shade Hourglass Beige. And I would use one of these like sponge tip things.
Never used to do my eyebrows either.
Yeah,
didn't
me
even know that
neither.
was a
I used to
thing.
pluck the shit out of them.
I didn't even know it was a thing.
Having no eyebrows back then was cool.
True. I think we used to do about like 10 coats of mascara.
I used to do one because I was running late for school every day. And because like, I had to drive 25 minutes to school, even though it's only on the other side of town with traffic and that.
Yeah.
It was, Kate, get in the car! Like,
And-
running out of IKEA sort of, get in the car.
Yeah. Like the ad.
Yes.
I used to walk to school.
That would have been good for the health.
I was only like a 5-minute walk from school because I lived in a country town.
And I would do eyeliner, and just for keepsakes, trust me, I'm not going to use it. I have the eyeliner that I used to use, and it's like the tiniest little thing, but I kept it for memories from where I started. So one day when I'm famous, I will auction it off. But I do have the same eyeliner, so I'm going to take it out of the packaging and use it today for this video.
Just like tradition, I poked myself in the eye with my mascara.
Oh, that's a wonderful. Once I did mascara and I poked myself in the eyeball and I had black ink on my eyeball for a while.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Like the rest of the day, like not like weeks or anything.
Well, that would have been...
And her eye was never the same again.
Well, it's got bits of mascara all over my face now, but that's okay because that's pretty much how it used to be. So. That's me done. This is literally
I can't
me.
get into this eyeliner. Well, packaging's still on the lid, but... This is just a designer brand's Kohl black eyeliner.
That's cool. It comes a little sharper. That's even cool.
I have another one if you want it. And I would bring it down just from the little waterline and into the lash line as well because, you know,
Why not?
it's got to last all day, yeah?
Oh my god, I did really bad blending mine. Yeah, oh well, too bad. Can you see that line? You probably can't see it.
I mean, we'll
It's
zoom
so
in on it.
bad. It's so bad. I don't need to see it, it's fine. And then I never used to use anything else. No lipstick, nothing. I forgot that lipstick was a thing.
Oh, and they had like a strawberry lip smackers or something.
Yeah.
Or Coke.
Yes, I remember those.
And I used to use the Rimmel Extra Super Lash curl brush mascara religiously. I recently decluttered it because I found one and it was super dry. But I've not used it since, and so I'm just going to use the mascara that's almost gone from Max Factor. So mascara is mascara, right? It's pretty dry. Yeah, I didn't wear any lip products at all, apart from lip balm. So this is basically what I look like at school every single day. Any of you who knew me in those days will probably be like, oh, flashback, you know. So yeah, this is pretty much what I look like, you know. Eyeliner, bad mascara, gold eyeshadow, you know, terrible powder and foundation in sections. And that was basically it. So 10 years ago today.
And mine's just literally like eyeliner and mascara. I literally do nothing.
So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek into our lives of 2009. I was in year 10 at school. Yeah, not too bad. I was, you know, a decent student despite the horrendous, you know, situation. But this was what it was like back then. This is what
Everybody
cool.
was like this.
Yeah, like
this was not weird back then.
Back then, this was trendy. Like with the sperm brows that I'm still recovering from. Like,
Everyone looked like this. It's not just us.
yeah. Like I was a good student. I wore little makeup compared to some people. But I remember when I discovered the eyelash curler, and I didn't wear mascara. I just curled my lashes, and I'd get to school and I'm like, oh my god, you're wearing mascara. Like, why'd you be wearing mascara? And I'm like, I didn't wear mascara. It's an eyelash curler. And then I got everyone on curling their lashes. So
I had a friend who tried an eyelash curler once. She cut all her eyelashes off.
oh no!
So I never used an eyelash curler because I was
Reminds
too
me of
scared.
like those YouTube videos of like girls curling their hair and suddenly the hair
Oh
comes
my
off
God,
with the
yeah.
curler. Oh my god, I would die.
No way. If that ever happened to me,
If I would die if that happened to
I'm
me.
moving to like a foreign country and
Yeah.
I'm starting over.
I mean, I've got naturally curly hair, so I didn't need to do that sort of thing, but like, scares So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little blast from the past. I know we did. So we're definitely going to go wash this crap off of our faces. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out Channa's channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye guys.